They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can.
Okay, so we're doing day 2 of ISSEA drama, and I'm heading off to the bus and to my first workshop of the day. Let's go. Okay, so after the last workshop, we're going to the mall, and then we're gonna go watch a play. At night, what's it called?
The Color Purple.
The Color Purple. These are so good.
Yellow.
Okay, see you.
Oh, goodbye.
Hi everyone.
Oh wait, this is a Rog pushed me.
How are
Rog is an abuse.
How was your workshops?
Mine was really good. I did musical theater.
How was your workshop?
Really good. I did puppetry and it was actually really cool.
I'm
doing that next. What do you do?
How is
Okay, it's really cool. You learn like I'm not into puppetry at all, but you learn a lot of acting techniques, which is really cool.
Hi Harina.
I almost did too.
How was yours this morning?
We wanted what?
She also got blown in my mind.
Hi. Okay, so we're going to the mall. So we have exactly 1 hour to shop till we drop. So we're gonna go freaking crazy, makeup, jeans, and shoes. Thank you.
It hurts my body.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know.
Have you seen this chemist? He's right there. Hello. Hi. I'm such a vlog.
Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know. Or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so.
Tried this one earlier. This is so nice. This looks so good on, guys. I'm like no makeup girl or anything, but this is so nice. I have it already though. Okay, let's go find more stuff. Got my mascaras, my lipsticks, my highlight, my eyeliner, and chocolates to my grandparents and Harina. Okay, now we're gonna go. We're gonna go watch the film The Color Purple.
It is a musical.
Thanks. We're gonna go watch the musical The Color Purple, and it's won many awards, and it's gonna be freaking amazing.
Wow, you're so specific.
Tickets
For the Color Purple.
Woo! I'm excited.
I have CJ8.
Okay, see you. I hope I get a film in there, but I don't think I will be able to. Hi, Andre.
Hi.
No stuffies. Just about to watch it. Hi! Honestly, it's become me and my whole ISSEA squad vlogging, not just me. Squad.
It's not vlogging, it's Snapchat.
Look at her. She's Snapchatting while I'm vlogging.
See this life from high and low, and all that's in between. I dance with dukes, grew with cups, been caught like a queen. But
She was born here, made it big in Memphis, and now you think about what we done to you before. Get ready for the big turn.
Okay, it's the intermission, and it was freaking crazy, guys.
I'm shook.
My face was like this throughout the whole thing. Yeah, it was amazing. I'm excited. Second half, here we come. Okay, so right now we're working in our ensemble groups, and then tonight we have a final performance. Good morning, guys. We're going back to Nairobi today. Are you excited, Abba?
No.
Are you excited? Are you excited, Fatu? Yeah. It was a really, really good trip, but I'm ready to go home, even though I have so much work. But it was so nice. Our host family were the sweetest people. I'm gonna miss them so much. It was nice rooming with you guys.
Seriously chill.
Abba took the floor. Me and Fatu shared a bed. Yeah. Okay, so last night I was in bed and then I hear a doom and I look over and Fatu's not in the bed anymore and she's just like, hi. She fell off the bed last night. Oh my god.
I slept through all of this.
She slept. Wow. Yeah. So that was, apart from that, we had a lovely night and now our bus is coming to pick us up and we're going back to Nairobi. Okay, bye. Hi guys!
Hello!
Are you ready to go home?
Yeah. No. Too much work.